We're asked about non-hardening clays and plastilina casting and molding often. Here's a video to show that process. First, you have to make the shape from the non-hardening clay. I'm going to assume you've already done that. Now place these shapes into your mold box. You can use a plastic container like we have used here, or a bowl, or some people make mold boxes using Legos. Spray a touch of bubble buster onto the clay surfaces. This reduces surface tension so bubbles won't stick to the surface as much. Melt the ComposiMold in the microwave or use any heat source to melt. Don't go above about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this cool to about 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit prior to pouring this over your non-hardening clay. Non-hardening clay usually consists of a wax with particles in it and typically has a melting point of about 145 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So make sure your ComposiMold is cooler than this before pouring. Or you can chill the non-hardening clay in the freezer so it can handle higher temperatures. Then just let this cool and you have your mold. Because the clay doesn't harden, it's unlikely that you'll be able to pull the shapes out of your mold without damaging. But the process is able to be done with ComposiMold by pulling the ComposiMold away from the clay and flexing it around. You might like the ComposiMold Flex because it's softer and easier to pull away, but the ComposiMold Original will also work fine. Then use whatever you like for your casting material. This could be an epoxy resin like we show here, but you can also use soaps, waxes, resins, epoxy clay, and even chocolate if you haven't used the ComposiMold for non-food materials first. Let me know what questions you have, and thank you so much for using ComposiMold.